Hello everyone, welcome back in ENV class. Now continue with this chapter, chapter 11, our vehicles. Here we can see different transport. So mostly people travel from one place to another for various reasons such as going to work, meeting friends or relatives, doing some business, right? So means of transport help to move people and goods from one place to another. Now, there are various means of transport which help us to travel quickly and easily. So, the means of transport have been divided into three categories. So, first one is land transport, water transport, and air transport. So, first one is land transport. So, vehicles that move on land include animal drawn carts such as camel carts, bullock carts, and tongas. Now, machine driven vehicles like cars, buses, motorcycles, and man driven vehicles such as bicycles and rickshaw. Now, next, water transport. So, vehicles such as boats, ships, steamers move only on water. So, people use boats and steamers mainly on rivers, canals, and lakes. Okay, and ships are very large and suitable for sea travel. So, water transport is slow as compared to land and air transport. Here we can see submarine. A submarine can move both below and above the water. Now next, air transport. So aeroplanes and helicopters are means of air transport. So aeroplanes are the world's fastest means of transport and helicopters are smaller than aeroplanes. So helicopters land on helipads. They are used for providing help in areas affected by floods and earthquakes. Okay. Here we can see rocket and spacecraft. So basically rockets and spacecrafts help astronauts to travel in space. Now here we can see spatial vehicles. So there are some spatial vehicles that are used for a particular purpose. So let's see. First one is police van. So police van carries policemen to different places to maintain law and order. Okay. Now second one is postal van. So postal van is a special vehicle used to carry letters and parcels from the post office to different places within city. Now next one is ambulance. So an ambulance is a vehicle that carries patients to the hospital. And vendor cart. So some people use vendor carts to sell different things such as vegetables, fruits, foodstuffs and clothes. So basically all the means of transport that we have discussed have made our lives easy and brought the world closer. Now in your textbook activity is given. So write down in your textbook which all vehicles did the children travel in? So basically children travel in bus, metro train, car, aeroplane, boat, horse cart, bullock cart, auto rickshaw and bicycle. Right. You have to write in your textbook. Now next. Think and write. How would you choose to go from your house to the places? Written below, write in the box. So you have to write in your textbook. In your textbook, this type of box given to you. So here, your house means my house. So from my house to market, I will go by auto rickshaw. Now From my house to my friend's house, I will go by bicycle. From my house to my nanny's house, I will go by bus. From my house to across the sea, I will go by steamer. From my house to across the river, I will go by boat. From my house to my relatives who lives in hilly areas, I will go by minibus, jeep या ropeway. From my house to school, I will go by bicycle, otherwise school van. So you have to write in your textbook. Okay. Now remember and write. So write in front of each picture what the vehicles is used for. So in the spaces provided, draw the pictures of some other vehicles, write their names and what they are used for. So are all these vehicles used for our travel? So you have to write down the boxes. So first one is hand cart. So hand cart is used for selling things like vegetables, fruits and other small things, as well as fetching and carrying them. So this one you have to write in your textbook. Okay. Now second one is postal van. Here we can see that. So postal van used for fetching and carrying letters, parcels, etc. Now next. This one is tricycle, right? So tricycle used for disabled people to go from one place to another. Now this one is tractor. So tractor used for farming and riding to go from one place to another. Right. Now next. This one is double-decker bus. So double-decker bus used for to go to different places in the same city. Many passengers travel on bus. Okay. Now this one is ambulance. So ambulance used for to take sick people to hospital. Now in your textbook these boxes are given blank. You have to paste train or bicycle picture. So here this one is train. So mostly train used for so that many people can travel at the same time and for long distance traveling, right? And bicycle, so bicycle used for children to go to school and nearby places and for riding. Thank you children.